or as I like to call it, professional depression. Most people go to work hoping for the best. Accountants go to work assuming the building will burn down, the customers will go bankrupt, and the lawsuits are incoming. This is the concept that forces us to look at a bright sunny day and say, it's probably going to hail. If you run a business, you are naturally optimistic. You have to be, or you would never get out of bed. You think, this deal is 99% sure to close, or that lawsuit against us is totally baseless. But then you meet the Prudence Concept, also known as Conservatism. Prudence is the rule that says, bad news travels instantly, good news takes the bus. If there is a whisper of a loss, the accountant screams, write it down now. But if there is a massive potential profit, even if it's almost guaranteed, the accountant says, nope, does not exist, ignore it. It feels incredibly unfair. It feels like the game is rigged to make you look as poor as possible. It's like playing a video game where you take double damage but heal at half speed. Let's apply the Prudence concept to your love life. Imagine you match with a model on a dating app. They are gorgeous. They swipe right. They message you saying, I can't wait to meet you. You, the optimist, I am getting married. I need to book a venue. I am practically a spouse already. The prudent accountant, whoa, slow down there, Romeo. Until you are standing at the altar and the ring is on the finger, we assume nothing. We do not book the hall. We do not tell your mother. We recognize zero success until it is 100% realized. However, if the model takes 10 minutes to reply, we assume they hate you. We assume you have been ghosted. We prepare for the emotional damage immediately. This is prudence. It keeps you from looking stupid when the model turns out to be a bot, but it makes for a very miserable existence. Why do the over-caffeinated lawyers force us to be so negative? To stop delusion. In the olden days, CEOs would say, hey, we might win this lawsuit for $10 million, so let's put that in the profit column today. Then they would lose the lawsuit, the company would collapse, and investors would lose their life savings. Prudence creates an asymmetry of recognition. Anticipate no profits. You cannot record a gain until it is realized. No counting chickens before they hatch. Provide for all losses. If there is a reasonable chance you will lose money, you must record the expense now. It ensures that the financial statements represent the worst-case safe scenario. If a company looks healthy even after applying prudence, you know it's actually strong. If it only looks healthy because they are hoping for good things, it's a house of cards. Here is the nugget. Accountants are paid to be the designated drivers of the business world. While the sales team is getting drunk on potential deals and the CEO is high on their own vision, the accountant uses prudence to take the keys away. The rule: if in doubt, write the asset down and the liability up. The takeaway: undervaluation is a virtue, overvaluation is a crime. It is better to be pleasantly surprised by a profit than blindsided by a loss.